Hi, everybody. Welcome to our session here from Sushi to Semantics. We have Koji with us here today, and he will be presenting. Turn the time over to him.
Okay. Hello, everyone. And thank you for joining. So the title is, I talk about from Sushi to Semantics, a GraphRAG-Powered Japanese food explorer with Neo4j and MCP. Okay, I live in Fukuoka, Japan. So I love working with Neo4j graph database. I co-founded the Neo4j user group Tokyo and Graph Community MVP 2020 and Apache Hop also. Today's journey is here. So first, why from Sushi to Semantics? Then from knowledge to semantics, and GraphRAG and VectorRAG. Are you familiar? So, and MCP and multi-agent collaboration. 5, demo result, Sushi Explorer, ChatGPT versus Neo4j plus ChatGPT, okay? And lessons and future directions. Why from Sushi to Semantics? Sushi is a living culturalist graph connecting regions, people, and stories. The problem, most of this knowledge is scattered and unstructured across the web. Our goal, use graph to connect, organize, and preserve this culture's knowledge. From knowledge to semantics. So the problem with AI knowledge, LLM like ChatGPT are great at writing text and sometimes the picture, but they don't remember facts. If we ask the same question twice, you may get 2 different answers. So how we store and reuse what AI knows. That's where structured knowledge come in. Let's think about Sushi as data. Sushi is famous, maybe. Okay, we can ask, what is sushi? Where does it come from? What's similar? What is history? Each question needs a different type of knowledge. Functional, cultural, and relational. Graph help us manage that completely. So types you see, I asked ChatGPT, what type of sushi can you name? Here's the answer. Do you know sushi well? So nigiri, maki, sashimi, temaki, and the omakase. They answered the 5 type. You can see the right side picture, nigiri, rice and fish on top, okay? And maki, just the rolls, those famous California rolls. So sashimi, fish only, no rice, but this picture not. And temaki is hand-rolled, like an ice cream, okay? Omakase is chef's choice, not actually sushi, okay? This is not correct answer. Okay, ChatGPT drew sashimi with rice. Why? I don't know. Okay, they answered five items, but sashimi is not sushi. Omakase is not a sushi as a sushi type. Okay, why graph thinking? Graphs show relationship directly, and relationship are how culture works. For example, nigiri sushi. Nigiri is a type of sushi. Sushi is a subclass of food. A restaurant has style, omakase. Seeing these link helps understand connections instantly. It's easy to understand. Semantics mean, I think, shared understanding. To make knowledge reusable, we need semantics, shared meaning. Technologies like RDF and all describe data in triples. Like this. This is a cipher query, like cipher query, but it's easy to understand. Nigiri type of sushi. This helps both humans and machines understand the same context. Sushi's meaning and evolution. Do you know Sushi's name of come from? You see a kanji sushi this one, okay? Sushi combines su, but kotobuki celebration means celebration, and shi tsukasadoru for to manage. Originally, it referred to fermented fish, su. Over time, it became the sushi we know today. So language changes. Sushi is English. It's the same word as sushi. Okay, Japanese kanji. I think come from China. Is you see your picture of this Neo4j and sushi, same as sushi. Okay, Japanese word sushi. Sushi composed of su kotobuki and other shi tsukasadoru. Okay, kotobuki is a represent wedding and or some party or celebration. It's really interesting. Our word is or come from. Knowledge changes over time. Conscious knowledge is not fixed. It changes with time and a perspective. We often don't need all information, just the right context. I love graph. So graph can hold multiple viewpoints and let us see how they connect. GraphRAG and knowledge retrieval. Why Neo4j? And I love Neo4j. So I used Neo4j 2013. So 3.9. So Neo4j is perfect for this kind of data. It stores relationship natively. It's visual, flexible, and explainable. Perfect for connecting people, regions, and ideas. How we search for knowledge. different tools serve different purposes. Wiki or Google for general facts. Now, okay, LLMs for creative reasoning. So, and RDF for property graph for structured data. It's very important. So, and last, GraphRAG is combine structures and reasoning. It's really good answer. Yeah. It's about choosing a right tool for the right kind of knowledge. VectorRAG, do you use a vector index on Neo4j? So VectorRAG represents text as meaning vectors and compares them. It finds what's semantically close, not just word similar. For example, it might place temaki sushi, and onigiri. Onigiri, do you know onigiri? So close together, so like this one. So right side is onigiri. Left side is temaki sushi. It's a sushi. It's very similar, but for Japanese people, they are completely different. Temaki is hand-rolled sushi, is vinegared rice and raw fish. Onigiri is a rice bowl with salted fillings, no vinegar. So, but VectorRAG to food is similar. Their answer. GraphRAG is here. It's GraphRAG combines graph structures knowledge with LLM reasoning. It uses relationship between concepts, not just text, to find meaning. For example, food so sushi and onigiri is so really different, different food. And the sushi type of nigiri and maki and temaki. Okay, it's easy, very easy to understand and correct meaning. So MCP model context protocol, it's very familiar and this this year, okay, and you can get MCP from here. Neo4j MCP better, but it's updating rapidly. So, okay, I have no time. So, okay, I'll show you a demo result, Sushi Explorer. So, ChatGPT and Neo4j. Oh, let's start with a simple question. So, what type of sushi can you name? So, ChatGPT answered nigiri, maki, sashimi, temaki, and omakase. Sashimi and omakase is not correct. Okay, ChatGPT GraphRAG with GraphRAG Neo4j. So the correct answer, sashimi includes nigiri, maki, and temaki, all made with vinegared rice. It's completely knowledge. Okay, how is sashimi made? ChatGPT is here. Combine vinegared rice with fish vegetables, blah, blah, blah. Okay, it's just generic. But GraphRAG with Neo4j is here. So nigiri, hand-shaped rice and plus fish, and maki rolled in seaweed. And temaki is one cone-shaped hand roll. It's a good answer here. Okay, is sushi related to weddings? ChatGPT is answered here. Sushi is served at celebrations like wedding because it's traditional and delicious. But GraphRAG and answers is here. Sushi combined celebrations and to obfuscate. Okay, it became common serve sushi at wedding during Edo period. Graph connect language, culture, and history. Explain why. So sushi is not just food. It carries the meaning of celebration. It's not correct answer from VectorRAG, I think. Okay, ChatGPT alone generates fluent answers, but often shallow or mixed up. GraphRAG plus Neo4j with Neo4j provide structures accurate and culturally grounded context. Together, they form complete cultural intelligence system. LLM plus graph equal meaningful AI. Oh, what's next? Next step is here. Extend the graph with multilingual nodes, integrate cultural events and historical data, and collaborate with multi-agent systems, and make conversational search smarter and more natural. Summary is here. Sushi connects regions, peoples, and stories. Graph helps us preserve and share that meaning. GraphRAG and MCP bring culture and AI together. I love graph and knowledge graph and connects to LLM world. Okay, a very short session. So, and I will open this software to my GitHub in this year. Okay, thank you for listening. Graph help us understand culture, and culture helps us understand people. Let's keep exploring meaningful connections. Here's my